We're in Charlotte County at the Lemon Creek Wildflower Preserve Project. You know, it's a pleasure to be here to celebrate this unique project. I'm Brian Armstrong, Executive Director of the Southwest Florida Water Management District. We had the opportunity to restore 80 acres, not just coastal habitat, but estuarine and freshwater wetlands. This project provided us an opportunity, our swim program, to work with the Lemon Bay Conservancy, its residents, NOAA.
The project was a restoration project for wetlands, fisheries habitat. The original site was a golf course, was abandoned, taken over basically by nuisance plants. So the first step in the project was to remove those Brazilian pepper that had colonized the entire area. There were 4 existing ponds on the site. One of our priorities was to link these ponds together to treat stormwater. The next part of the project was to excavate and create habitat freshwater treatment areas. We built 2 mounds out here that act as observation points and provide habitat. In addition to the water quality restoration, we did several planting efforts out here, both wetland and upland. So the Conservancy took part of that responsibility themselves, so those wetland plants uptake the nutrients and keep the nutrients out of Lemon Bay.
Well, it looks like a native paradise to me when I look at it. I'm Eva Ferner. I'm a member of the Lemon Bay Conservancy Board and also the project chair for the Lemon Creek Wildflower Preserve Restoration Project. I just do want to thank again Southwest Florida Water Management District and NOAA. Without your funding support and your expertise in how to do a project of this scale, the excellent volunteers we have at the Conservancy would not have been able to pull this off on our own.
The district enjoys being part of the governor's initiative to improve water quality across the state. As you can see, the board supports that with their $825,000 grant towards this project.
I couldn't be more proud of what we're doing to protect the water resources of Florida. I'm Joel Schleicher. I'm proud to serve the citizens of Sarasota and Charlotte County on the Southwest Florida Water Management District Board. This is really what citizenry is all about, is that you had over 2,000 hours of volunteer time going toward this project in concert with the funding from NOAA and SwiftMud and others. And so to take this project, which is taking nutrients out of the water before it ultimately gets into the intercoastal and the Gulf, is the key.
I'm very proud that this preserve is going to be protected out into the future because it has a district conservation easement over it. You know, the amazing part is the volunteer hours from the residents in the Lemon Bay Conservancy. This was a tremendous community project. That's what's so special about this one to me.